Starter to free. Walking through Times Square, a full story. It's a warm evening in the middle of summer, and you find yourself standing at the edge of Times Square in New York City. The world-famous intersection, known as the crossroads of the world, seems to pulse with an energy all its own. The sun has just dipped below the horizon, but the prakit neon lights Chot of Times Square have flickered to life, casting a bright glow over the entire area. The towering skyscrapers are covered with gigantic electronic billboards, flashing ads for Broadway shows, movies, and luxury cars. As you walk, you'll likely pass Broadway theaters, perhaps catching a glimpse of the marquees for major shows like The Lion King, Wicked, or Hamilton. If it's nighttime, Times Square becomes even more dazzling with lights reflecting off the pavement, making it feel like you're in the heart of the world. It's easy to get caught up in the energy, but if you step off to the side onto one of the pedestrian plazas, you can take a moment to soak in the scene. Just be prepared for a fast-paced, exciting experience where time almost seems to stand still.
I just want you to love me. I just want you to hold me. I just want you to love me. I love it when you call